This ice cream is really good.
Yeah, it tastes great. I'm enjoying it.
It's nice to take a short break like this.
Definitely. A walk and ice cream always help.
What flavor did you choose?
Vanilla with caramel. It's smooth and sweet.
Sounds good. I chose strawberry.
So, how did shopping go yesterday?
Pretty well overall, but I've been thinking about one thing.
What's that?
The jacket I bought. I don't think I want to keep it.
Okay, what made you decide that?
I tried it on again at home. It just didn't feel right for me.
That happens sometimes. Do you still have everything?
Yes, the tag is still on, and I have the receipt in the bag.
Perfect. Do you want to return it now?
If you're free, yes. I'd like to do it today.
Let's finish our ice cream and head to the store.
Thanks, Tom.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to return this jacket, please.
Sure. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Is there any problem with it?
No, there's nothing wrong. I just decided not to keep it.
That's okay. Let me check the tag.
Of course.
The tag is still on. That's great.
Yes, I didn't wear it.
How did you pay for it?
By card.
All right. I'll send the refund back to the same card.
Okay, thank you.
The total was $68.99. You should see the refund in a few days.
That's fine.
Here's your return receipt.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. That's done now.
Yeah, that was quick.
By the way, yesterday you said you wanted to buy some new clothes, but we didn't get anything for you.
You're right. I completely forgot.
How did that happen?
Honestly, I thought about it again. I don't really need anything right now. My closet is already full.
That sounds very familiar.
Yeah, buying less is sometimes better. Oh, I just remembered something. There's a toy store near here.
Really?
Tomorrow is my niece's birthday, and I still need to get her a gift.
Of course I have time. I actually love toy stores.
You do?
Yes, especially princess dolls. I can look at them forever.
That's totally normal for girls.
Hey, maybe for you too.
All right, you got me.
So, let's go.
Yeah, it's just around the corner.
Wow, there are toys everywhere.
Yeah, this place is full of them.
So, how old is your niece?
She's 6.
Okay. Do you have anything specific in mind?
I'm not sure yet.
That's fine. What is she like?
She likes colorful things, but I'm not sure what to choose.
No problem. I can help you pick something nice.
That would be great. I really need help.
Oh, wow. Look at these dolls. They're so pretty.
Yeah, they are.
Honestly, for a 6-year-old girl, a doll is one of the best gifts.
You really think so?
Definitely. Most girls this age love dolls. They can play, imagine stories, and take them everywhere.
That makes sense.
Look at this one. The dress is beautiful, and the colors are really bright.
She would probably like that.
And this one looks like a princess. Girls love princess dolls.
Yeah, my niece talks about princesses all the time.
See? Then this section is perfect for her.
I'm glad we came here. This is helping a lot.
I told you, we'll find something great. How about this one? This princess doll looks really cute.
Yeah, I like this one. The dress is nice, and it feels special.
I thought so. It looks perfect for a 6-year-old.
Honestly, this is the one I'd choose. She's going to love it.
Then let's get this one. No need to keep looking.
Agreed. Let's go pay for it.
Good choice. You did great.
Only because you helped.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to buy this doll, please.
Of course. Is this a gift?
Yes, it is. Could you gift wrap it for me?
Sure, no problem. Would you like a gift receipt as well?
Yes, that would be great. Thank you.
All right, the total comes to $34.50.
That's fine. I'll pay by card.
Perfect. Please tap your card here. All set. Here's your receipt and your gift.
Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks for helping me back there. I feel much better about the gift now.
You're welcome. I think you picked a really nice one.
Honestly, I would have been lost without you. Kids' gifts are harder than I thought.
They are, but once you see their face, it's worth it.
Yeah, I can already imagine her smile.
So, how about a coffee? There's a nice cafe just around the corner.
That sounds perfect. I could really use one right now.
Same. Let's go and take a short break.
Coffee after shopping sounds nice.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'll have a medium latte, please.
Sure, anything else?
Yes, please. I'd like a cappuccino.
No problem. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
All right, that'll be $8.50 altogether.
Here you go.
Thanks. Your drinks will be ready in a moment.
What a busy day. But honestly, I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was a busy day.
Especially the toy store. I didn't expect to get that excited. I felt like a kid again.
I could tell. You were having so much fun.
I really was. Looking at all those dolls brought back memories.
And it helped me a lot. Thank you for guiding me and helping me choose the gift.
Anytime. I'm glad I could help.
Now I feel relaxed. The gift is ready, and we're finally sitting down.
Exactly. Coffee was the perfect way to end the day.
It really was.
All right, I'm heading out. I hope the birthday goes well, and I really hope she loves the gift.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm sure she will.
Have a great weekend.
You too. Take care, and see you soon.
See you!